Skincare for guys. Yes, you heard it right. Skincare isn't just for the ladies. Taking care of your skin is essential for everyone, and trust me, your future self will thank you for it. So, let's jump right into it. 1. Importance of skincare for guys. Before we get into the routine, let's talk about why skincare matters for guys. Whether you're dealing with acne, dryness, or just want to maintain healthy skin, a good skincare routine can make all the difference. Plus, it's a great form of self-care. Step 1. Cleansing. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. Use a gentle cleanser to wash away dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin. This sets the stage for the rest of your routine and helps prevent breakouts. Step 2. Exfoliating optional. Next up, exfoliating. This step is optional and should only be done a few times a week. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and promotes cell turnover, leaving your skin looking fresh and rejuvenated. Step 3. Toning. After cleansing, apply a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and tighten pores. This step helps prepare your skin for the next products and can also soothe irritation and redness. Step 4. Moisturizing. Moisturizing is crucial, guys. Even if you have oily skin, don't skip this step. A good moisturizer keeps your skin hydrated, prevents dryness, and maintains a healthy moisture barrier. Step 5. Sunscreen. Last, but definitely not least, sunscreen. Yes, even for guys. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing sunburn, premature aging, and reducing your risk of skin cancer. But don't use it at night. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to stick to your routine day and night. Your skin will thank you for it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to click the subscribe button and stay handsome.